These are the top 5 creepiest natural sounds ever recorded in the wild. And bro, the last one, it sounds like it came straight from hell. Comment which one gave you chills. But first, if you want extra luck tonight, hit like and subscribe before this video ends. First, the bloop. In 1997, the US Navy recorded a deep underwater sound in the Pacific. It was louder than a blue whale. Next, the Krakatoa explosion echo. This volcano exploded in 1883, and the sound was heard over 3,000 miles away. Next, the Northern Lights hum. People say the aurora borealis is silent. Next, Yellowstone's screaming geyser. It's screaming out of the earth in Yellowstone. Next, the 52 Hertz whale.